Hi guys, this is calculus family. In this tutorial, we'll be doing vector function. So I have a problem here which says find the general formula for the tangent vector and the unit tangent vector to the curve given by the vector r of t, which is given as t squared multiplying I plus 2 sine tj plus 2 cos tk. So let's get straight. So you're looking for two things in this tutorial. You're looking for the tangent vector, then you're looking for the unit tangent vector. Okay, we need tangent vector. So let's solve for the first one, tangent vector, right? To solve for the tangent vector given any curve is simply by you differentiating it. That's all. Finding the first derivative gives you the tangent vector. So this is my curve. My curve r of t is equal to t squared, right? I is direction numbers, right? Plus 2 sine t j plus 2 cos tk. That's all. So what you do is you find r prime of t. So r prime of t, you get 2t. Then I have my I. Then this one, you have plus 2 cosine t. I have my j. Then you know this will give us minus 2 sine t. I'll have my k. Right. Once you do this, you have your tangent vector. Now the next thing is to find a unit tangent vector, right? To find a unit tangent vector, it's not difficult. It's simply by taking the length of what you have here. Okay, you take the length of what you have here. So finding the length of my tangent vector gives me the unit vector. So let's see. When I do this, I'm going to have the square root of, I'll take 2t squared plus 2 cos t also squared plus negative 2 sine t also squared, right? So this gives me the square root of, this gives 4t squared plus 4 cosine squared t, right? Plus 4 sine squared t, nicely. So obviously you can factorize 4 out here and you get square root of 4t squared plus 4 open bracket cosine squared t plus sine squared t. Okay, then this gives 1. You know this identity, right? It gives 1. Once we have 1 for that, we're simply going to have our unit length to be equal to 4t squared plus 4. Therefore, our unit tangent vector is simply going to give us 1 over the square root of 4t squared plus 4, which is multiplying the expression. I have 2ti plus 2 cos tj minus 2 sine dk, right? And that is all for this. So this is all I have for you in this video. Please do also subscribe and please share.